Hello, welcome back once again. And last time, remember, we saw about comparison operators. Then we saw about sorting arrays, that's from the smallest index to the largest index. And today it's gonna be something more interesting. And I'm gonna show you on how to turn images into Numpy arrays. And to do this, we'll have to import Numpy first. That's the first thing. So you have to import we have to import an numpy. Import numpy as np. Right. Shift and enter. Then that's well done. So we have to import our file. Let's say we just downloaded any file, like any image. It can be over PNG format, JPG format, and the other file formats of images. But so let's say we've just downloaded an image. Let's say of a panda's image, yeah, image, yeah. Let's say we've just downloaded any image. It can be this here, this or this here. So what I just did, I basically downloaded an image and put it inside here. So this is my working environment under which I'm working here. As you can see here, this is my working environment. So it's here under desktop, fast by, then untitled. This you can put it as like image processing. That's gonna be good. Then so under this file here, so what I just did, I downloaded this image from the internet and then I just pasted here directly. So and I renamed it as pandas. So let's see the properties of this image here. Properties, where is it here? So the properties of this image is a PNG file. So we'll have to import this into Numpy. And to do this, we have to use the image source file, which is crc, is equals to image stock, the name of the image, which was panda. So panda, and then the name of the file, the format of the file, which was a png.format file. So we have to close the parentheses with this. So let me hit shift and no, the first thing I have to run this as a markdown for it to import the file. So let me hit shift and enter, and here we go. We got our first image in our Jupyter notebook. And well, I can show you another way of importing images directly from the web. And to do that, we just have to paste the link of the image, and we can do this using the image crc source, which is crc source, which is equals to, then the double quotation marks, then the link of an image. Let's say car images. So let's say we want this file here. So you have to copy image address, then here paste it here, and then you have to close with this here, then hit shift and enter. But you remember, this has to be a markdown. I'm sorry that the link is too long, but you just kind of need to work it that way. So let me hit shift and enter. We see here an image pops up, which is perfectly done. So with that being said, I want us now to convert this image here into a set number of arrays. We want to represent it as in a number of arrays where a machine can learn what is this image. Let's say this image is composed of many pixels. So what a machine, and let's say this part here, what a machine can do is just it's represented by numbers, and you can find that all of this section here is represented maybe by thousands of thousands of arrays, and I'm gonna demonstrate this using this. So let's go. So gonna use this command here from here, import image, then from Numpy import as array. Then the next thing is gonna be image. Our image is equals to image dot open our file here, which was the name of the file was panda dot png here. Then the next thing is to give a name for our data, which is panda data. Panda data is equals to s array of image, and then print. We want to print the type of our data. Now I just want to demonstrate. So what we have just done here is convert the image into an array, and we've done this using this command here. And then to check the type of our data right now, we used to print and type of our data here, which is panda data, which was just the image we converted here, image into an array here. So let me just type, we named it as panda data. So let me hit shift and enter. Let's say which type of data is this. We're successful. This is it's a number of n-dimensional array, and yeah, we can see that we are successful. And let's check the size of our data. I'm sure it's a very big, it's really a big size of data, and we can check this using the panda data dot size dot shape dot n dimensional. We can do, I had shown you in the previous tutorials about this. So it's gonna be dot size. You can see that it's 268, and not actually 268. This is 2,683,800. Wow, that's a very big, massive file. And then we can also check the shape. We want to know the shape of this data. Is it a 3 by D matrix, or we do this using the panda data dot shape. And then another thing we can check is the number of dimensional arrays, panda data dot n dimension. So let me hit shift and enter. So here we can see that this was the size, and then the shape of the data, it has 710 and 1260 by 3. So, and the dimensional array, we have 3 dimensional arrays, which is this and this. So with that being said, you can display the first, let's say let's display the first 50 of our data set here, which is this here. The first 50. Let's see, let me shift and enter. We can find that it's a very long, so maybe I can display the first 5, then to 1%. Yep. So you can see here, this is just a section of the total number of arrays, and these may represent a very small part here. Let's say this dot here, or it can be something like an I here is represented by this data. So this tells the computer that this is a part, this is the eye of an animal. Yeah. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.